In this tutorial, we are going to start from where we stopped in the previous video. In the previous video, we talked about the difference between similar and congruent figures, and we talked about similar triangles. Well, we are going to continue working on similar triangles. Remember that we said that the similar triangles have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. This figure specifically depicts what I'm talking about. You can see that these angles are actually equal, the angles that are inside the triangle, and the sides are proportional. They all have a proportion of 0.5, half of the original size of the corresponding side. For example, 20 and 10, 6 and 12, and 7 and 14. They all have the same proportion, which is 0.5. Now, moving on to this figure, two triangles are similar if they have an equal angle and the sides, which include the angles, are in proportion. So it is basically enough to have one equal angle in both triangles. For example, here 110 degrees, and the sides coming on the sides of the angle are proportional. You have 14 and 7 that have a proportion of half, and you have 8 and 4 that also have a proportion of 0.5. So basically, we can call these two triangles similar. Although if you take a look, they might not seem similar since they are reflected and also changed in size. But the angle shows that they have a different size but similar shape. So we can call these two triangles similar triangles.